How to express and use vomit, especially involuntary and difficult in the genuine Cantonese and Kongtonese. 阿師向 toilet 度仲緊啊！好惡依家嗌阿師嚟搞啊！褪下啦，or 停下啦，or 等下啦。Peasant is still vomiting at the location of toilet. I feel it is really difficult to ask C to do, make, create, now, or instantly or immediately. One should wait for some time, or one should wait for a while. Vocabularies. That is the diminutive particle in Cantonese and Kongtonese, and is really comparable to the Hokkien using the R sound to read the Sinitic diminutive Z. Hang or hai mean. As a verb, it means be located at. As a preposition, it means at, in, on. Well, toilet is an English word borrowed into Cantonese, though the locative particle in Cantonese and Kongtonese, which means where, location, place, and the alike meanings. 中 means still. Three possible variations in the pronunciation for the meaning vomit in Cantonese and Kongtonese. 緊 it's closely meaning to progress. It's basically used to make or express continuous tense in Cantonese and comparable to the gan in Thai. The sense of continuous tense is probably conveyed through the rationale of verb serialization with the previous action and then followed by the next action as to progress, and so that can convey the meanings of continuous tense. Copular verb 好 it means I feel subjectively it is really or both of them are the same word. That means difficult, hard. 依家 means now, this time, immediately, instantly. I or ngay mean to call, to ask to shout, to name, lay. As a verb, it means to get to, reach, arrive. As a preposition, it means to, towards. As a verb phrase, it means to get to reach to arrive to. Note, the vowel of lei, is a monophthong. It doesn't have a vowel yi ending as it falsely claimed in Sinitic instruction medium Yuet, sound dictation and distortion. And there are fake academic records. Should that be diphthong, it would be lei. Note, that's not the word lei. That means come in Wu languages, and the genuine Cantonese vocabulary to express come is my, as in my lei. Gao means to create, to do, to make. Tang, tang, tang. They all mean to wait in Cantonese and Kongtonese. Note, the Sinitic instruction medium Yuet sound dictation and distortion were distorted to tang, ha, ha. Both are from the original sound ga, which means time, and here it's used as times for occurrences and frequency. Just like other Aussertan languages like Minwu, the root of the word is highly comparable to Indo-Iranian languages. Post-clausive particle, the meanings range from must to should to had better. Here, la, its meaning is closest to should.